Steel in our veins, precision's our game. Epay metal, building a legacy, no shame. 27 years strong, quality's our song. From pipes to poles, we make buildings long. Laser sharp cuts, robotic struts. Nano polish shines, ain't no room for dust. AQL ISO, 6s in a row. We exceed the standards, watch our reputation grow. Epay, built to last, built to stay. Stainless steel solutions lighting your way. Global network, 94 lands we play. Building trust and value every single day. Factories humming, production never slumming. Tubes by the ton, railings by the run. Door handle smooth, silicone keeps it new. Antibacterial shine, a healthier view. Patented designs, installation that shines. CNA stand tested, worries left behind. From pre-sale consult to after sales care. Epay's got your back, a partnership to share.